Hi guys, Alex here from the Hooky 2. Just going to talk you through some of the rigs and stuff that I'll be using on the boat with Luke tomorrow. Just been tying up a couple in my garage now. Should be quite a calm day. We're targeting flatties and smooth hound, maybe the odd early smooth hound. Got the big rods out, might get some tope hopefully. Forever the optimist, but we'll see. But flatties are the main target tomorrow. Just going to talk you through some of the rigs I'll be using for that. Simple 2-hook rigs really, 2-hook flapper, nothing too complicated. I'm going to be fishing with size 2 Aberdeen hooks. Take them off here. And the biggest thing for the flatties is nice long traces hopefully. Anything that gives it a bit of extra movement, but not too long that we tangle up. So at the top here we've got a nice size 8 swivel, 60-pound main line, just something that's rigid, something that's not going to tangle up too easily. 3-way swivel there, nice and simple, hope you can see that. And then down to just a size 2 Aberdeen hook with some beads on. Just down from that then, another 3-way swivel, snap swivel for the weight, and then a nice long leader down to another size 2 hook. And we'll be fishing with ragworm baits, and just anything that's going to give it a nice flowing movement on the bottom there, just something to attract the flatties. And then to the bottom of that snap swivel we should be attaching a nice weight, something, well, try to find the right one here, but watch leads are the best weights really for fishing off the bottom there. We'll be drift fishing, so something like this in the size 3 or 4 ounce will be perfect. The reason we use watch leads when we're drift fishing is because they just stir up the bottom. That rigid design there helps with just moving the sand, making it look like there's some bait down there really for the flatties to home in on. And then on the second rig that I'll be using for just for the smooth hound, nothing too crazy. We'll be fishing with squid, and it's just a short shank 450 hook, and we'll be fishing that on a short leader like that, to a swivel, to a sliding boom, and that'll be a running ledger rig that we'll be using for the smooth hound. That's all we'll be using tomorrow, so if we do catch anything, then that's what we caught it on.
Me and Alex set off at 7 in the morning from Mumbles, fishing down all the coast, all the way to 3 cliffs. Conditions were in fairly good condition, with the hope of catching flatties and other species. But yeah, it was a really good day, and hopefully you enjoy our video.
Is this the moment?
Is this the moment? Is this the moment of truth? Where Luke might actually get, there's a bit more weight on this one.
It's gotta be.
Oh yes.
It's gotta be.
Oh yes. Yes!
It's massive. Wow.
A monster.
What's this size of me?
Whoa.
Thank fuck for that.
A species.
Species.
Well done.
Alex thinks he's looked to a fish now.
I've got a fish. 100% that's a fish.
He said last time.
It's a bass.
Oh, nice.
Bass. Yay. Species list.
Oh shit, yeah.
Let's go, champ. Nice. Did I get my...
On a ragworm, L rag.
Ragworm, yeah. Oh.
Alex has hooked into one now. Another one.
Content. More content for boys.
Nice. Target species.
Have a dab. This is a better fish.
That went.
That went. That could be a bass. I take your time. Oh god. This is is drag set?
I don't think so.
Looks like a much better fish. Oh my god, look at that. It's actually bent. Oh. That's a bass.
Wow,
I felt that looked
tight.
massive.
Okay, hell of a tight.
Oh look,
Oh, nice.
species.
Yeah.
We'll get the card out now for the.
That was, oh,
It's a much better. Bit of excitement.
I enjoyed that.
No, not that one. What's this one? They take hard, don't they? The
That was really hard. Luke Davis bass.
Nice. Nice one, Luke. And the release.
Oh,
Little nibble yet on Luke's rod. Patience is key. Oh, a nibble on my rod as well.
oh, nice.
God.
Might stop, so I'll do. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I just messed around with the drag. Oh yeah, baby.
Just got something on there.
Oh, you got one. Oh,
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 yeah, I got one as well.
doubler. I'll try and get mine in there.
Oh yeah.
God, these dab are like buses. You're waiting ages for one in. Oh, it's a bass.
I think mine's a bass as well then. The way that took as well, I think that's a bass.
I'll pass me that. Right, there's a bass for me. Now, now what's Luke got over here?
I don't know if it's still on.
Oh, there's something on there, surely.
It's got to be in it. Oh, it's fighting.
It's all kicking off.
I think it's big.
It should drag. Oh, that's, looks a bit better than mine,
Can you see it?
but it's just a firebird. Besides. Oh,
Honestly,
that
that
is
took that was.
embarrassing.
Oh.
You might have two on, to be fair. Could be a doubler. No.
No. Please.
Okay,
Is
so
it-
hold,
is it recording?
don't let go, just hold it in underwater. Luke here with the infamous Swansea double. The state of that. That rod's gonna snap.
It's a firebird, they don't snap.
That's a good point. Nice.
Yeah, the good thing is they haven't tangled it.
Well, not yet.
Alex thinks he's hooked into something now.
This is it.
Finally.
Rank it up on the mark, and this is what we get.
Yeah! Oh, for fuck's sake! Alex has another one here.
Oh yeah. Good weight on this one.
It's quite straight the line, isn't it?
Yeah. It's kicking though. Could be
Two.
a double.
A doubler.
It's very heavy.
Can't see anything at the moment.
It feels like a dogfish and something else maybe, I don't know. It's very heavy. Oh, it's a big flatty.
Nice.
It's a nice
I haven't
flat.
seen that bottom hook though.
Oh, I think maybe
Two, it's a doubler.
That's why it's so heavy. Oh, shit, sorry. Look at that. That's
Nice.
what we were waiting for. The double dab. The double dab.
Nice.
That's actually not bad as well. They're
They're
both
not
decent
bad,
size.
that's
Look at that.
Bit of meat on it.
That's cracking.
They're definitely 30 centimetres long. That's why we are going to keep them. 30 centimetres, yes.
Yes, of course. Look at that one. That's actually a cracker.
That is actually quite nice.
It's the best one of the day. Lovely.
Nice.
Look at that. Fucking banging. Chuffed with that.
As it's good. It was also there's a lot of bend in that rod. It's quite a bit of a quite heavy look, didn't it?
Brilliant.
Wonderful.
So we've just got back now we're just about to go on the slipway in Mumbles now. Me and Alex have been fishing all day from I think about 7 o'clock this morning we got on the boat.
Yeah.
Till now, source of time now. I think it's just gone 7 o'clock. So nice long 12 hours fishing shift. So yeah, it was very good. Nicky was meant to join us, but he wimped out because he is back apparently while we were getting the boat out. So God knows. But yeah, we've had a good day. So we've had starfish, dogfish, dabs, and bass. Yeah, so it's been a decent day. We did think we had a tope run, but we're not too sure what happened with that. So it's
look at the scenery. What a lovely thing to end on.
Yeah, couldn't ask for anything better. Flat calm. Wasn't like this morning. It was a bit rough, but end of the day beautifully and nice and warm too. It's like 13 degrees.
Not bad for an end of March session. For the what?
It's April.
It was April 2nd. So
Yeah. So beginning of April session we've just done, which is great fun, and we look forward to having more videos soon. Cheers, guys. Thanks.